Hello everyone, welcome back to Stylish Design. This video is about different beautiful room decor and room makeover. This is extremely room makeover to extreme extent, and this is super gorgeous and so stylish, amazing, really beautiful bedroom ideas which are so stunning, adorable, and it includes both decent room and girly room design ideas. Really awesome, best room decorations ever. For more such videos, hit the subscribe button. Beside that, click on the notification bell so that whenever I'll upload a new video you will be notified. Really girlish pink bedroom idea. How gorgeous and stunning does it looks. And before we move further, I would like to share with you that I even have my Instagram page, Twitter, I'm on Pinterest, and my website. To follow me on all those, links are in the description box below. Make sure you follow me there as well. And look at this peachy room decor, beautiful bedroom. This is extreme room makeover to the best shades and really beautiful one. Also, let me know down in the comment box below which kind of room types you like, either colorful or nude with decent designs, and extremely simple, or an all-wooden room which is with beautiful decors. Let me know down in the comment box below so that I would be able to know about your preferences, and we'll try to tune according to your recommendations. And guys, look at this beautiful colorful cushions, pillows, bedsheet, and how decent does this purple design room looks like. It's really gorgeous as it is. And if you look at this green one, it's extremely pretty and even cool to eyes. This one is really simple yet elegant. How cool is this, with just a succulent side table? And this is for plant lovers and gardeners, a beautiful idea for them. And those who like a room really simple, this idea is for them. If you are looking out for extreme room makeover, my recommendation is to go for some which like this, with beautiful lights on the walls, so that it would be really refreshing and delighting to eyes. How fresh does this white and grey combination looks. It's really pretty. If you want more such videos, hit the subscribe button. Stay tuned, stay on with me. Thanks for watching.